मैं हूँ 2021 और मैं लेकर आया हूँ गर्मियों की छुट्टियाँ।
यिप्पी! समर वेकेशंस! ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का झंझट खत्म और मस्ती चालू। ढिंग चिका ढिंग चिका ढिंग चिका ढिंग चिका रे 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 रे।
और ये हैं लेजी बाबू जो थक चुके हैं अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लगा लगा कर, पर अब नहीं चलेगा इन पर किसी का भी जोर, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर नो मोर। तो चलिए इन्हीं से पूछते हैं ये क्या करने वाले हैं अपनी 1 महीने भर लंबी छुट्टियों में।
मैं क्या करूंगा बताऊं? आई विल ईट, आई विल स्लीप एंड आई विल रिपीट। सिंपल।
अरे तुम कुछ भूल तो नहीं गए?
हाँ, मैं चलाऊंगा फोन, खेलूंगा बहुत सारी गेम और देखूंगा बहुत सारा टीवी।
अब क्या करूं यार, बोर ही हो गया।
अरे लेजी बाबू, अब क्यों हो रहे हो इतना बोर? पहले तो मचा रखा था बहुत शोर, और इसी के साथ इनकी सारी छुट्टियां बर्बाद।
My dear friends, this time is not to be wasted, but this time is an opportunity to make you a better version of yourself. Hello brainy people, this is your very own Rosie Popley, founder of Rapid Reasoning and educational consultant. You can subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for regular brain training. Friends, today I am here to plan your summer vacations. See, choice is yours. Whether you want to make your summer vacations productive or you want to waste your precious 1 month. तो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी होने वाली है, but all those who really want to make their summer vacation significant, stay connected till end. In this video, I will tell you 6 areas where you can improve and excel yourself. Here we go. Number 1 is health and fitness. Number 2, personal development. Number 3, hobbies and interest. Number 4, family time. Number 5, subject expertise. And number 6 is brain training. So let's start and explore every area one by one. The first area of concern is health and fitness. We all believe in an old saying that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So we all must take a good care of ourselves. So here is the list of few fitness activities you can choose from as per your interest, like aerobics, Zumba, yoga, cycling, gymnastics, swimming, running, jogging, walking, hiking, jump rope, etc. It is a famous saying by His Holiness Dalai Lama that the goal is not to be better than the other man, but your previous self. So our second area is personal development. We should try to learn new things every day. For personal development, you can work on 2 types of skills, soft skills and technical skills. So let's start with soft skills. Learn a new language. You can learn a new language as it is a demand of globalized world. Some apps are there like Duolingo, Memrise. These apps provides you more than 100 languages to learn. Point number 2 is learn new words every day. Make a habit of learning new words and putting them into practice. That will surely increase your ability to communicate effectively. There are so many apps to learn new words like Vocabulary, Vocabulary Builder by Magoosh and Word of the Day. Point number 3 is improve your handwriting. ये तो सुना ही होगा आपने, extra marks for good handwriting. And if your handwriting is already good, you can opt for calligraphy because calligraphy is in high demand. Point number 4 is reading books. You must have heard there is no friend as loyal as a book. Reading is very important because reading provides us endless knowledge, develop our thoughts and improves our vocabulary and writing skills. These days, e-books and audiobooks are in trend. Amazon Kindle is a good option. Point number 5 is you can watch inspirational and informational movies. These movies are the source of motivation for us and they create awareness about the various social issues. Point number 6 is very important. Improve your communication skills. This is all what you need in today's era. To improve your communication skills, work on your reading, writing, listening and speaking. You can listen podcasts, audiobooks and songs. You can write some articles and blogs. You can practice speaking loudly and clearly at home. You can read newspaper, magazines and books to improve your communication skills. Point number 7. Last but not the least. Read newspaper. Reading newspaper is a very good habit as it keeps us up to date about the current affairs and also improves our language skills and vocabulary. You can take the advantage of e-newspapers. So many apps are also available. I would recommend children to read newspaper according to their age. There are so many children's newspaper available like Robin's Age or Kids Age. Let's shift towards technical skills. For technical skills, you can learn graphic designing, video editing, filmmaking, artificial intelligence and robotics, coding, hacking and animation. My dear friends, these skills are your treasure that cannot be stolen by anyone. So choose any skill of your choice and start learning right away. Third area is to improve and excel in your hobbies and interests. It is a popular saying, find 3 hobbies, 1 to be creative, 1 to keep you in shape and 1 to make you money. बचपन से ही हम लोग माय हॉबी पर ऐसे लिखते आए हैं ताकि हम अपने अंदर छुपे हुए टैलेंट को पहचान पाएं या फिर अपने एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट को जान पाएं. So friends, whatever your hobby is, take a step ahead in that and become expert. There is no wonder if you still have not found your hobby. You can find it today. The list of hobbies is endless, but here I am giving you some ideas for your reference. Fourth point is family time. This should not be taken for granted. So, this summer vacation, spend time with your family, help your mother in her household chores, help your siblings in completing their projects and teach them something new. Spend time with your grandparents, go on a walk with them, listen bedtime stories, and spend your time with your father in discussing social issues, or you can play board games with your family. The next area of concern is subject expertise. It is the time you can utilize to become expert in any subject of your interest, or you can give this extra time to the subject you are finding difficult. Give at least 1 hour of self-study in these vacations to the subject you want to learn. Trust me, this is the golden time to work on your doubts, to take the conceptual knowledge, to do the experiments and to learn things practically. Now, 6th area of improvement. That's my favorite. Brain training. Brain training helps in improving your memory, focus, logical thinking, concentration, and obviously your response time. It enhances your problem solving and decision making skills. There are so many brain training activities like you can solve sudokus, crosswords, puzzles, you can play chess and you can enroll in our first ever brain training program that is going to be launched very soon. कितना कुछ है ना करने के लिए. क्या आपको सच में लगता है कि हमारे पास 1 मिनट भी एक्स्ट्रा है वेस्ट करने के लिए? बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप ये मत सोचना कि मैम ने इतना सब कुछ बता दिया, अब क्या करें और क्या ना करें. बहुत ही सिंपल सा वे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ हाउ टू वर्क ऑन दीज एरियाज. यू जस्ट नीड टू मेक अ बकेट लिस्ट. आप सारी एक्टिविटीज़ में से अपने इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग एक्टिविटीज़ को चूज़ करिए, अपनी बकेट लिस्ट बनाइए एंड कीप द ट्रैक ऑफ योर गोल्स. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर योर बकेट लिस्ट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. आई वुड रियली लव टू सी इट. So that's all for today. This is your very own Rosie Popley signing off for today. Hit the like button if you really liked this video. Share this video with your fellows and don't forget to subscribe. I have mentioned all the detailed notes in the description. Go and check that out. Stay tuned, stay brainy. Happy vacations.
अरे मैम, मेरी बकेट लिस्ट तो देखते जाओ.